Right now, folks living in Spring Branch are wondering when this huge burning pile of wood and debris will finally be put out.
And the fire department says it is under control, but neighbors are still uneasy tonight. The fire is burning near Hollister and Hammerley, that's north of I-10, on a big piece of land slated for development. Matt Doherty is live for us tonight with a look at the situation. Matt?
Yeah, there's been little change to the fire since we first got here 4 hours ago. Neighbors here are concerned that the fire continues to burn. Tonight, the fire continues to burn at this 3-acre construction site, sending clouds of smoke into the Monday night sky. Neighbors near and far have been complaining about the smoke online and say they were caught by surprise, anxious to know when it'll stop. According to the Houston Fire Department, firefighters responded to the site earlier today and had to bring the fire under control. HFD says the burning piles consist of large mulch, tree debris, logs piled up to 15 feet high, as well as live trees. HFD says the contractor was contacted and told it would need a mitigation company. Fire department units will remain at the site until they arrive. Reagan Hudson lives in a house right across the street from the fire.
And this is the first I've seen it at this level, so I'm a little bit more concerned. There's a bunch of ash in my backyard and my house smells like smoke. And I mean, they say it's controlled, so I'm just trying to find out the facts.
The Houston Health Department is continuing to monitor the air quality. They say everything is still within a healthy range. At this point in time, there is no evacuation order and no order to shelter in place. Back to you.